Alright, today in SolidWorks we're working on a driver. There's more to this project than this, but due to NDAs and stuff I can't really show everything, but I wanted to show over some cool stuff. So this was 3D scanned, and when you scan it, there's a secondary step called reverse engineering where you'd have to like match these surfaces. We don't need to do that here because I just need the model. However, I did need to make it hollow, and what you could do is you could use shell command, but the problem with that is it won't work on this because of these weird surfaces. Then I tried to offset surfaces inward like this. Where's offset? There it is, offset surfaces. But these little patches, it kept giving me errors. It's basically creating intersecting surfaces. So what I ended up doing was I copied the body. Where's that? Right here. Okay, so I'll roll back. Copy the body in position. So it's right over top of where it was. Then I scaled it down. I believe I picked like 80%, 85%. And if we do a section view, probably best to do it like that. Well, this is actually, okay, there it is. See how there's this like line? So because I copied about the, or scaled it about the centroid of the copied body, it's pretty much in the center. And then I use subtract or combine, but this subtract. And when I did that, basically created a hollow. So quick little trick there. If you have any more questions, you can contact me directly, info@CADdesignhelp.com, and check out my my website, CADdesignhelp.com. We'll send you a free PDF if you sign up on the email list with some good useful tips for inventors out there. Thanks.